Hello and welcome to Habano News. Tonight I'm going to talk to you about probably the oldest Cuban cigar brand. It is called Por Larrañaga. It's 5 syllables. Por, which means four. You can pronounce it like Pour, Por, and then Larrañaga. Nya, it's the Nya, Spanish Nya, pronounced Nia. Por Larrañaga. And this brand was created by Ignacio Larrañaga in 1834. So why might it be the first or the second brand? Simply because Partagas was the Fábrica de Partagas was built in 1845. It is used by Habanos to celebrate the birthday as 1845, the year of the creation or the building of the Fabrica. But apparently, Partagas might have been created before that in 1827. So, according to Habanos, it is the oldest brand because they will celebrate next year the 190th birthday, but it might have been created after Partagas. Hence the question mark on my thumbnail. So this brand has three standard production cigars and one La Casa del Habano and Habanos Specialist edition. I initially made a video about the Polaraniaga Leones. I deleted it because I made a mistake. I talked about the brand. That's why now I'm going to make two videos, one about the brand and then one about the original edition, which is the Polaraniaga Leones. So this video is about the brand in general. So this brand was created in 1834. It's a light to medium brand. The first cigar of the brand is the Paul Larrañaga Petit Corona. So this is a 50 cab. It is the only Petit Coronas in a 50 cab. Here it is. And it is a 2022. I'm going to show you the cigar. So this is a Marevas, 42 ring size by 129 millimeters, 5 millimeters longer than a Robusto, and 42 ring size. This is a very common size, the Marevas, because it's the same as Bolivar Tubos number 2, Bolivar Petit Coronas, Coiba Siglo 2, the one's very famous Davidoff 2000. The Davidoff Chateau Margaux was a Marevas, the Diplomatic number Ticos number 4, the Daniel Varadero, the Monte Cristo number 4, the Partagas Capitals, the cigars that come in tins, the Rafael Gonzalez Petit Coronas, Romeo and Julieta Petit Coronas, and the Romeo and Julieta Cedros Deluxe number 3. I got a comment saying that someone recently bought some Cedros Deluxe number 3, a beautiful Mareva size cigar. These cigars age very, very well. If you buy these cigars, age them at least a year before you smoke them. These are beautiful cigars. 45-minute smoke, a beautiful blend. Definitely for me, on the market, the best Petit Coronas, without any doubt, for me. Some people prefer the Romeo and Julieta, of course, or the Boulevard Tubos number 2 because they're stronger. The second cigar is the one I'm smoking from the brand. It is the Monte Carlos Deliciosos, 33 by 159. It is a slim Panatella. And there used to be 30 slim Panatellas in the Habanos portfolio. There's only 2 left. This one, the Monte Carlos, which is the factory name is Deliciosos 33 by 159. And the common name, like the shape, is Slim Panatella. And the other cigar that left as a Slim Panatella, only 2. This Monte Carlos and the La Gloria Cubana Medaille d'Or number 4. I'm going to show you this cigar, cardboard box. Then you open it. Beautiful box. So it's a Tour March 21. And look at this. These are the Medaille d'Or number 4. So I would recommend, if you can afford them, find them, buy them, age them, because I don't know if they're gonna last. Because nowadays, as you know, people tend to smoke thicker cigars, but these are beautiful, beautiful cigars, just beautiful to watch. So they're in three layers, 898. That's why it's called an 898 box. The third cigar, standard production cigar from the brand, is the Galanes, uh, created launched in 2020. So it's a recent cigar. 52 by 120. The factory size is Galanes. There's no other cigar of 52 by 120. It's 4 millimeters shorter than Robusto, and 52 compared to 50 ring size for Robusto. It is a lighter cigar. For me, not the most interesting, but it's a good cigar. For me, the really interesting cigar, apart from the Petit Coronas and the Monte Carlo, is the La Casa del Habano edition and Habanos Specialist edition, released in 2014, which is the Picadores number 1, and this is the cigar. Slightly stronger than the three other cigars of the brand. Beautiful, beautiful cigar, around 13, 14 euros. Beautiful cigar. Highly recommend it. I love this brand. I really like this brand because it's still affordable and it is beautiful, beautifully made, and it ages very well. Picadores, I smoked 2014 because it was launched in 2014. I smoked a 2014 recently. Beautiful. So I really would recommend, if you can find those boxes, that you age them. And I would recommend that for the Petit Coronas that you buy the um, 50 cab if you can find it. Should cost around $400, $500 if you can afford them, of course. Apart from that, the brand is also making some regional edition, and they launched in 2021. Of course, it was delayed because of COVID, and they are now releasing them, but the official release was 2021. And they had 4 big releases coming now. The first one is a Prometidos for France. It's a Duke size, 54 by 140 millimeters, 14 centimeters. The Phoenix, spelled Fenix, it's a 109, trendy size at the moment. Trendy size, 50 by 184. And this is the cigar we're going to discover in 2 weeks in Limassol for the 15th anniversary of the relationship between Habanos and Phoenicia. And the launch will be in Cyprus. And the other regional edition is the UK one, Larrañaga 47. It's a Giulietta number 2, 47 by 178. Beautiful cigar. If you can find it, it's in the UK, so it's expensive. And the fourth one is the Spanish one, and I'm going to make a video after this one about the Larrañaga Leones. I think there might be a fifth one, but I'm not sure exactly. We don't really know what country it is for. I haven't seen it yet, but I heard there might be another one being launched. Before that, so we're talking 2021 release is now being released now. But before that, it was a 2017. There hasn't been anything in 4 years. and it was a German. It was Fifth Avenue, the distributor for Germany, Austria, and Poland. And it was a Corona, so 50 cap, 42 by 142. So four new beautiful regional edition for the brand. So this brand, is making a comeback. We can feel it. It's going to be 190 years next year. 200 years in 11 years. 200 years also. Maybe they're going to beef it up and bring more cigars. I certainly hope so, because I love the cigars from this brand. So that's it for the for this um, evening. I'm drinking the Edmundo Dantes 15-year rum from Cuba. Beautiful, beautiful rum to pair with cigar. I really hope you like this video. If you did, please kindly subscribe. If you have any question or any comments, don't hesitate. I hope to see you soon, and goodbye.